Hi friends, in today's video we're going to be unboxing and checking the details of a very unusual thing, which is this Hunter Mosquito Terminator. I just want to warn the people right in the beginning of this video that if you are a soft-hearted person, this video may contain some visuals of mosquitoes which may not be for those who are faint-hearted. So we will see that what is this device, because I have found this very effective, especially, and it is very useful at places which are in tropical climate, and when the mosquito season is going on, at that time you can find that these are very effective, and I will also show you the demo of it in a little while. So this Hunter Mosquito Terminator is a small device. As you can say, it's quite, if I just put my hand on it, you can see that the whole box is not greater than my palm, and what it says is, it says that it attracts, traps and kills mosquitoes. You just saw 2 boxes of it, and I've been using this for more than an year, and I've just ordered 2 more boxes because of its effectiveness. And what it is doing, what they're saying is that it uses advanced CCFL technology, and this is the tube that is used inside this, or the light that is used. It's a mosquito trapping machine, and this is the beauty, that you don't have to kill the mosquitoes by waving the racket or something. It works very effortlessly. You don't need any smoke, no odor, nothing, and a very useful device for people, especially who are asthmatic and people who have got breathing problems. It is very effective for that. The details of it are noted over here, what's there inside and what is the weight, etc. I don't need to have to go through it, and it also comes with a 6 months warranty. The price of this is MRP is 999 rupees, India rupees, but it is available for approximately 901 rupees on Amazon. So let me unbox this, and I'll open and I'll show you how it works. So let's get started. So after opening the machine, or after opening the box, we can see that the machine is inside. Let me take this out, and along with that we have a warranty card and a user manual. Let's look at the user manual. The user manual says that you need to switch on the machine 2 hours before you go to the bed, and provide the complete darkness for it in the room. You need to keep it at a height of around 2.5 feet, and you need to make sure that it is not below an AC or a fan, so that the direct air doesn't come through it. And if you have to take out the mosquitoes which have been trapped, you have to open the box from the bottom and just turn it around. Now let's have a look at this package itself. Let me take it out with this small handle, and as you can see on the top, you can see the labeling of this Hunter Mosquito repellent device, or rather the trapping device. On the top you can see it's nicely covered over here, and this device is small and very nifty. Of course, you need to use it with caution and make sure that you don't have kids near it when you're using it, because it has got movable parts. Now if you see over here, this is the trapping net, or the place where all the mosquitoes get trapped. You just need to turn this around and open it, and what happens is, this small tube that you're seeing is what attracts the mosquito when you light it on or when you switch it on, and from there is a small fan inside, which I'll just show you. So there's a fan over here. This fan pulls the mosquitoes, or rather pushes the mosquito down in this net, and this net is where you will see all the mosquitoes getting collected, and I will show you in the video later on as to how does this get connected. So make sure that while you're operating it, it is switched off and you're not using it, and you can carry this forward along with this small handle. So this device is very useful. It is very convenient, and especially for people who have got asthma problem or breathing problem, this comes in a very nifty tool. So what I will do is, I'll now show you how to switch it on and how to use it, and from there you can see how this application really works, or how effective this is. What you see over here is, there is also a small fuse, which in case it gets blown, if you're not using the power correctly, you will get an extra fuse as well, which you can use to replace this in case it blows off. So now let me switch it on, and we'll have a look at saying how this comes into action. So I'm now plugging it in a socket to switch it on, and as soon as you plug it in, the device comes into action, and you can see that it is running right now. Of course, the light is bright right now, so you can only see a part of it, but I'll switch off the light to show you how does it look like in action. So I've switched off the light now, and you can see that it is in a mushroom shape, very beautiful. It also works as a night lamp as well, if you keep it on your desk side. And you can see that the light attracts the mosquitoes get pulled from here, and the fan is running, and this fan pushes these mosquitoes in the net, as I explained previously. We will now have a look at how the mosquitoes get trapped, and that video will show you the power of this device. But as I said, right, you can look at it. It looks very, very beautifully, and you can use that for multiple purposes when there are no mosquitoes. And I hope and pray that's the case very soon. You can also use that as a night lamp. So let me now show you the video as to how does it capture or trap the mosquitoes, and how do they look like. So you can now see this device in action. I've switched it on, and you can see that there are some mosquitoes nearby which are flying around, and you can see that there are a number of mosquitoes trapped below as well. Since the fan is running, they're not able to come out. Some of them are alive and some of them are already dead. Now let me try to open this device, and I'll show you how do they look like. And what you need to do is you just need to take the device as I've shown earlier, and you just need to turn it around, and you can see some of the mosquitoes have already come. But this is the number of mosquitoes that it has captured. It has captured only within a span of 1 hour, and that there are so many mosquitoes that it is very, very effective in capturing that. As you can see, some of them are flying around and they're getting captured as well. So you can see that this device is very, very effective. If you want to purchase it, you will find the link below in the description and also in the comment which has been pinned. You can go over there and buy it. It's a very, very cheap product and very, very effective, and I would always give a thumbs up to this device. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel, and I'll be back with another video soon. Till then, have a great time.